Have you ever heard the saying, what goes around comes around? This is the idea behind the law of karma, a universal principle that states that our actions have consequences, both good and bad. The concept of karma is ancient and has roots in many different cultures and spiritual traditions. The term karma itself comes from the Sanskrit language and is believed to have originated in ancient India. The concept of karma was developed in Hinduism and Buddhism, and it is also found in Taoist and Jain traditions, as well as in various indigenous spiritualities around the world. To understand the law of karma, consider the example of planting a seed. If you plant a seed and give it the proper care, it will grow into a healthy plant. On the other hand, if you neglect the seed, it will not grow and may eventually die. In this way, the actions we take, or fail to take, have consequences that can either help or harm us. But why does the law of karma happen? There are a few reasons. Our actions have an impact on the world around us. The energy we put out into the world, whether positive or negative, will eventually come back to us. The universe is a neutral entity that does not judge us, but simply reflects back to us the energy we put out. So how can you use the law of karma to your advantage and mitigate its negative impacts? Here are 5 strategies to consider. By acting with compassion and kindness towards others, you can create positive energy that will come back to you. By being mindful of your thoughts and actions, you can ensure that you are putting positive energy out into the world. By letting go of grudges and negative emotions, you can free yourself from negative energy that may be holding you back. Help others. By helping others, you can create positive energy that will come back to you. Practice forgiveness. By practicing forgiveness, you can release negative energy and create positive energy in your life.